Well, at Synechron, one of our key differentiators is our FinLabs and accelerators. And we believe that only by having a truly diverse team are you able to drive novel thinking as well as innovative solutions for our clients. And when I talk about diversity, it's not just in gender, but also on cognitive diversity. So diversity and inclusion is of strategic importance to us. And at Synechron, we are committed to grow our global female workforce by 10% year on year. And this is now a business metric for us. Our initiatives focus on building platforms for individuals to connect. So one such platform is Synechron. Synechron is a platform for employees to come together across functions, across different locations, to build and develop solutions for our clients and to address client problems as well. Another of such platform that I want to talk about is the We platform. And We stands for Women Engagement Platform. And this brings about all our global female workforce to come together on a monthly basis to celebrate success, as well as to talk about some of the challenges that we face at work. We also invite our male allies to come on board as well to talk about their experience on the same platform. We definitely see better diversity in certain pockets in the organization. So one of these areas will be the European locations, where we are almost at 50% gender diversity. Another area that we see better diversity is across the organization of employees with about 2 to 5 years of experience. And for us, we're trying to learn from these two areas on how can we implement best practices to really roll out diversity and to ensure that we have better diversity across different departments and different levels in the organization. Yeah, I think the challenge is really on how do we create a more inclusive culture, right? Because we can hire diverse talent into the organization, but the challenge is really on retaining them, and creating inclusive culture is very important, right? So some of the things that we can do, firstly, is to create awareness, right? So trainings like unconscious bias training can help to establish common understanding across all your employee base on what type of behaviors are considered as non-inclusive. And another action that you can take as an organization, which is to partner with organizations like IDF, right? And you can understand and learn what are the best practices in the industry. But I think the most challenging part, right, which is the third area, is how do you create a safe environment for your allies to show their support for diverse talent? And this is the most important and the most challenging part. Yeah, so I believe in what gets measured gets done, right? So I think if you are very serious about your D&I journey, use data and metrics to drive your initiatives. And secondly, I think to identify your ambassadors and your allies, right? And to showcase them, because this is not just HR's job, it's all employees. They all have a role to play to create, an inclusive culture and to help drive the D&I initiatives. And lastly, create a feedback loop, right? Understand from your employees which initiative works, which initiatives do not resonate with them. This is very important because you want to make sure that the initiatives or the platforms that you create resonates with them and help to drive change throughout the organization.